So what's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get free shipping vouchers on Shopee. Shopee often runs promotions that include free shipping vouchers you can apply at checkout. Here's how to find and use them. So firstly, make sure you're logged into your account in the Shopee app. Tap the Shopee banner at the top of the homepage and look for the free shipping promotion card. It may be labeled something like free shipping. Tap to open it. On some versions of Shopee, you might find it under Shopee Pay promotions, daily vouchers, or games and offers. Now, inside the free shipping page, tap collect on each free shipping voucher you want. Some vouchers are specific to certain stores or payment methods. Some vouchers are limited and may run out. Collect them early. Now, once you collect a voucher, it's saved to your voucher wallet. All you have to do is add items to your cart, go to checkout and enter vouchers, find the shipping voucher you collected, tap it to apply before completing the payment, and if the voucher applies, your shipping fee should drop to zero or the discounted amount shown. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.